Feeling overwhelmed by the vast UPSC syllabus? You know you need to study geography, history, optional, and everything else. But how many hours should you actually give to each subject? The study planner is your high level strategy map. But the real magic happens in the interactive syllabus tracker feature, both available on the left side of your page. Here, you don't just see geography as a subject. You see every single topic and subtopic like geomorphology, climatology, etc., with a recommended number of hours to devote. And for the Yuki Profi users, this will also help you generate an instant short notes on the same screen. After you've studied all of this, you can go to the My Test section to solve thematic tests. And this, of course, is available to all users completely free. Now let's look at the numbers. General Studies is further split into two components, core and strategic components. For the core subjects, the study planner recommends allocating the timeline from March to December with surgical precision. For example, for the subject of geography, it states 79 hours per month for 2 months for your first reading. Then it says spend 22 hours on consolidation and revision. And it says next spend 4 hours on practice test. In the same fashion, the number of hours for first reading, for consolidation and revision, and for practice test is given on the Yuki portals with subtopic and topic division specific for each subject. The methodology for each is non-negotiable. Study, consolidate, and then practice. March to December will be for your core subjects. But from the month of June itself, you start GS answer writing for 1.5 to 2 hours daily. Then, from the month of December, you look at the other strategic area like internal securities, ethics, etc. with the same method. Current affairs, it recommends spending just 2 hours every weekend. Essay, it says start in July, spend 4 hours a week purely to writing. CSAT, if it's your weak point, invest 4 to 5 hours per week from the start. Again, your optional subject needs a deep and uninterrupted block. The planner dedicates 6 months for this, recommending 100 hours per month, that is roughly 4 hours a day. This is split between new study and revision. After this intense coverage, you move into a dedicated 2-month answer writing and test series phase to perfect your presentation. So what's your daily commitment? It is dynamic. All you need to do is follow through. See you again on Yuki.